Hey guys, it's Wolf here. Welcome back to the channel. So right now I've been kind of like doing the market updates via email, okay? But right now I'm testing to create kind of like a daily video, market updates about cryptocurrencies. And I just want to start this with saying that, my main, portfolio is on crypto gaming. And I kind of like have this inner circle membership where I cover it. And right now I'm doing you can get in $7 trial, and then if you like it you can stay, or if you don't like it you can cancel it. But kind of like I'm doing it in a paid version because first of all, I'm heavily motivated by money, right? Like if I get paid doing something, I do a better job. Like think about like if you were doing something, you do a better job if you get paid doing it, right? So I have more I have more incentive to actually find really good picks, and I have found super good picks. So and I keep finding, and my portfolio goal for the next bull run is $10 million. So for 2024 to 2025. So right now, as you're watching this video, you're actually watching me to make $10 million profit, okay, in just like 12 to I don't know 14 months, right? If it plays out like I think it will. Right now there has been some couple of things here that well, one thing in yesterday's email I talked about like 2023. My biggest win in 2023 money wise, okay, was going all in on crypto gaming. Like crypto gaming experienced a huge growth and at the later part of 2023, and I made a lot of 10x's, so which is insane. If it's a pretty nice feeling to make 10x. Like if you put like money and you 10x your money, and it's like super crazy. So for the 2024, I'm actually looking to 100x's, multiple hundred. I'm looking to make multiple 100x's. And my initial hypothesis for 2023 was at the end of 2023, okay, was that there would be the final leap. Because if you look at the market cycle, I don't actually have right now, but I'm actually going to show it in the next video. But if you pull up the market cycle chart, it shows that there's always a final leap. Now I've been reading Howard Marks' book about the cycles, and the cycles is where you really like make money when you own the cycles. Right now, one of the reasons I'm basically doing these market updates is because I want to get better at knowing the cycles, because I'm fairly young, so I have multiple cycles in my life, like a lot of cycles, and I guess that you are also fairly young, so you are going to experience multiple cycles. So even if you won't make super great, like if you only make like $1 to $10 million in this cycle, in the next cycle you can make 50 to $100 million or even more. If you get better, if you keep getting better. So my point is to get better, right? So my hypothesis was that we will have the last dip. We will see if we have that, but I still like think that we might have that last dip. But I at this point maybe we don't. Maybe right now it changes and we don't, or maybe we have the last dip in March. Who knows? But the point here really is that we are going to experience a huge bull market fairly soon. Like if you really look into it, the bear market lasts only so long. Like every action has its opposite. Newton's third law. Every action has its opposite and equal reaction. So right now we have been in a bear market for like 550 days or something like that, and that's a long time. So when this momentum really starts like turning into bullish momentum, and we kind of saw a glimpse of it, but it was literally nothing. When the retail like noobs start to flock in, and Coinbase is trending at #1 in App Store, and people are just like making crazy money. Everybody's making crazy money. That's when the real bull run is really at the euphoria phase, and that's where the biggest money is made. And that's where I'm looking to exit. Okay. Now the thing here, like if you look at here, Solana has been running a lot. Okay, it's over $100 here, and I personally believe, like for the Bitcoin price prediction, I think that it's going to be like $200,000 per Bitcoin is going to be like at the top. Okay, and for ETH, I think that ETH is going to be like 15,000 to maybe even 20,000 per ETH. Okay, and those are kind of like where I think that the craziness will be at the top, you know. So that, you know, so if you look at like Bitcoin, it's still you know, it has a lot of room to grow still here, you know, for 200k. It can go over or it can go lower, you know, but those are what I'm personally looking at those. And you know, as for, well, I don't know if I should like cover the do you want me to cover all these like other assets also, or do you want me to only like, comment below, do you want me to only or what do you want me to see, like do you want me to like cover the markets or more in depth, or you know, some, you know, new projects that I'm looking into, or let me actually show you one that I'm looking into right now. Okay, so I have actually by the way, it was, let me actually show you a couple. Okay, let me actually show you. So I have this notepad in front of me, and I've been basically, you know, tracking all the like the tokens that I have found. And yesterday I was going, let me show you here. Yesterday I was going through these my notepad here. Where is it? And I have had crazy picks here, absolutely crazy picks. Like I'm actually going to cover it in the next videos, but picks that I have like in 2023, I like marked down. They were, like I said, in 2023 I only focused on gaming, but I found like Avalanche, one of the node projects did 10x, and then I found like, this is what actually one of the projects that I found. Shadow token, and back in 2023, very early, okay, like basically here in the summer, I found this token Shadow, and look at here, it went from like 8 cents to like $1.70 right yesterday. I mean, that's pretty crazy. And I have multiple these type of, I have like everything basic that I have run down into my notes has run up like 10 to 20x pretty much. Some of the tokens have, but a lot of them, and a lot of them also were not in the crypto gaming. So I was thinking that in the next bull run, I'm probably going to focus on, so right now I'm focusing heavily on crypto gaming because I want to make the $10 million, right? But you know, in the next bull run, or not bull run, but next bear market. So next bear market is going to be like 2026 or 2027 or something like that, right? Or 2028 maybe even. The later part of it. But I'm going to probably go in multiple niches because that's when I have more money, more capital, so I can spread more thin. Right now I don't want to do a lot. I have a lot of gaming projects, but I don't want to go in the like I try this method right now. Okay, so because in 2020 to 2021 I kind of like was buying everything. I made some money. I made the 300k, but I was looking at, if I would have gone more heavy on the one niche, I would have made more money, right? Because the more focused you're on one thing, the more money you will make, right? But so right now in this next bull run that's happening, pretty much starting right now, I'm focusing only on crypto gaming, and my goal is to hit the $10 million profit. And now, as I hit that, I have the like I have like $10 million profit right in the next bear market or something like that. Let's see let's see how it goes. But that's the initial goal here that I believe is very achievable. But then I'm looking to like kind of like buy multiple assets, because I was looking at the assets that I've been found. Like I was doing heavy research in 2023, like bro, 2022 to 2023, like I was like researching like freaking machine. And you know, Shadow here right now, obviously I don't have position and I'm not buying it, but I was like I had the opportunity to just like dollar cost average all the way at the bottom here, and who knows how crazy this token will go. But I was looking at this crazy token. One of the, let me see, like I think it was BGS or something like that. No, it was BGG. No, what it was. So it was kind of like Avalanche token. I have it in my notes, but this is a thick ass notebook, so my microphone is kind of like blocking me to find it. I will show it in one of the videos later on. Yeah, I don't want to look, but the Shadow I remembered. But So that's I'm looking to in the next right now. For example, there's AI picks and tons of picks that have gone up that I've found, but I haven't bought them because I was like, okay, I'm going to only focus on crypto gaming, and so far it has made super great returns. But also these other picks would have made great returns. So I don't know which is better, like focusing only on one thing on one niche or focusing multiple niches. But we will see in the bull run. But I definitely still have the hypothesis that the more money is made by just focusing on one sector, especially right now at this time, I think that crypto gaming is just like so crazy opportunity. Okay. But yeah, also AI is a big one, of course. But I think it doesn't matter. It's just like what's fun to you and what seems logical to you. But right now, in the next bear market, I'm looking like add all the tokens that I basically find in the bear market, at least buy some, because here, like, it's a 20x here. So, if I, like, just to buy some here in the next bear market, and, some of them can move. Like I was looking at, I'm probably going to do the same thing as that Naval Ravikant is doing, and I haven't looked like he's like early success, but I guess like the same thing with Warren Buffett. He was focusing like heavily, and Charlie Munger heavily focusing on one thing, and then just making a lot of money, and then after that diversifying. you know. So in the next bear market, I'm probably going to diversify a lot more, like in multiple assets. I will. Right now, I'm fully on low caps, but the next bear market, I'm looking to have like high caps, mid caps, low caps, everything, like just everything. You know what I'm saying? That's my initial what I'm thinking right now. And I'm kind of like trying to think like multiple years ahead, but just to have the kind of like be on top of it. But we will see how this will play out. But so far, I'm super optimistic about it. The whole next bull run is starting fairly soon, and I have never like bought the actual bottom like this in 2023. Like I was there in the whole like look at here from the shadow. 2023 started here. Look at here. From here to here, I was researching on every freaking project. I was like looking at every freaking thing. So look at here. I would have time. I had the time to buy all of this project at the like dollar cost averaging slowly at lower price. So right now I have kind of like acquired that skill. Like I feel confident about it. But of course I'm humble here. I'm not going to be like cocky, like I know everything. I'm just saying that it for me it has taken multiple like couple of cycles to get to where I'm at right now, and I still find things to but I keep learning. Okay, and the market always humbles you if you are too cocky. So you know, yeah, very excited to see how the 2024 is going to play out. If we have dips in 2024, like major crazy dips, right now, by the way, I'm kind of like looking to add, just stack some stable coins because I basically bought with everything at the end of 2023. So right now, I'm kind of like looking to stack stable coins. And I'm also looking for new projects to invest in, like completely new projects. Again, I'm fully focusing on gaming projects, even though like I'm showing the shadow here. But right now, I'm not buying this. I'm not buying any of the other. I'm just buying gaming projects, and I'm testing the hypothesis out, and I think that it will play out, with very, very near success rate, or at least, well, there's always the worst case, most likely and the best case scenario. I think that the gaming sector will play out at the way more than most likely. I think it's going to be upper version of most likely scenario. So that's why but the most likely is like it will just freaking explode, and the like most bullish is like it will just crazy explode, like it will go absolutely nuts, and that's also possible. And the worst case scenario is it goes to zero, but I don't, and if that happens in this bear market, well, that we have a crazy dip, I'm so bullish on it, and I'm so convicted about it that I'm just going to buy more. That's why I'm stacking stables, and I'm looking new projects to buy it, and or if the older projects that I have already built positions, if they like dip 10x, I'm going to buy more, Anyway, if you want to see my portfolio, check out the links in description. Go to wolflopez.com and let me know what you think about this video. Let me know, do you want to see daily updates like this? This is, very fun to do, and I'm going to start like adding the camera here. I'm actually updating my setup right now. I have a new microphone here, so I hope that the sound quality is better. Anyway, thank you so much. Not financial advice, and peace out. See you tomorrow.